So,
All right.
so you guys know we've taken the pan out.
All right, so we took off the pan already. We're gonna take off this oil pickup and let's check out the condition of this oil going through it over the years. Let's see how bad it really is because we know we had some issues. What is that?
Look at all that buildup right there.
Is that buildup? What is this shit? Is it metal? What is that?
Look at that. Look.
Really, what the fuck is that shit?
That's all the buildup. It's buildup, lack of maintenance right there. Like you can see the strainer right there.
You know, it's unbelievable.
Surprised it's still red.
You know, I didn't, but we never really had any issues with oil pressure. It's always been pretty good. But
At some point.
no, this is shocking though, because I can't understand how we still had decent oil pressure even with this strainer like that. That is crazy. What do you think would cause that? Like intervals of oil changes in between more than?
I think very lack of maintenance. Look at all that. Look,
You think
already down to the middle. Look.
You think overheating could cause that too? The oil to burn up like that and get stuck in there? Oh man.
Temperature possibly.
Wow, look at that.
You could see.
Barely see the screen.
You could see the screen right there.
Wow. That is crazy. Can I see it? Holy shit. Well, there you guys go. What your lack of maintenance can actually cause on your engine. Even overheating. I don't know what the fuck, but this is really bad. How's that? Oh, look. That is shaking like crazy. That rod right there. I'm not sure you guys can hear it. That's where rod knuckles come. We definitely had some worn out parts right there. So anyways, we're gonna finally take this off the lift. We're gonna pick up the new motor and start putting the oil pan. But man, you guys really gotta make sure you do your oil changes when you're supposed to, because look at this shit.
We're putting a new one.
Yeah, of course everything we're putting on is brand new. All right.